What if I told you your Android phone could be turned into a digital spy device? Not with malware, not with coding, but with free, powerful OSINT tools. Yeah, the stuff you see in spy movies, but it's real, it's accessible, and it's probably already in your pocket. These tools aren't just for elite hackers or government agencies. They're used by investigators, cybersecurity pros, and yes, even digital spies. We're talking about pulling back the curtain on the internet, seeing the hidden connections, and uncovering information that most people don't even know exists. And now, in 2025, these tools have become crazy powerful and insanely easy to use on your phone. So if you're ready to dive into the world of open source intelligence, let's uncover the free tools that turn any Android device into a cyber weapon. First up, we've got Sherlock. And no, not the detective with the Dear Stalker hat. This Sherlock is an Android port of a tool that's been making waves in the OSINT community. Imagine typing one username, just one, and instantly checking if it exists on over 100 different platforms. That's Sherlock. It scours the depths of the internet, checking platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Reddit, GitHub, and even those niche sites you've probably never heard of. It's like having a digital bloodhound sniffing out every digital footprint of a specific alias. You punch in the username, hit search, and bam! Sherlock presents you with a list of all the websites, forums, and social media accounts associated with that name. But here's the thing, with great power comes great responsibility. This kind of information can be incredibly valuable, but it's important to use it ethically and responsibly. Trust me, once you see how effective Sherlock is, you'll understand why it's at the top of our list. Ever get a call from an unknown number and wish you could trace it back to its source? Well, with PhoneInfoga, you can do just that. This mobile-friendly OSINT tool is like having a private investigator in your pocket, ready to dig up dirt on any phone number you throw at it. PhoneInfoga lets you analyze phone numbers, revealing a treasure trove of information that's usually hidden from plain sight. We're talking country of origin, carrier information, whether it's a VoIP number or not, and even associated email addresses or online accounts if they can be found. This tool is a lifesaver for anyone who's ever been targeted by scam callers or wants to verify someone's identity before they meet up with them in person. Imagine getting a suspicious text message. With PhoneInfoga, you can quickly check if the number is associated with any known scams or if it even matches the sender's claimed identity. So, the next time you're wondering who's hiding behind that unknown number, remember PhoneInfoga. You probably use Google every day? But did you know that it's also one of the most powerful OSINT tools at your disposal? No, I'm not talking about typing in someone's name and scrolling through their Facebook photos. I'm talking about Google Dorking. Google Dorking is like using Google with cheat codes. It involves using specific search operators and commands to uncover hidden information that regular searches just can't find. Think of it like this. Google indexes billions of web pages, but most people only see the tip of the iceberg. Google Dorking lets you dive deep into the hidden web. With the right search queries, you can expose hidden login pages for websites, uncover confidential files that were accidentally made public, and even find live feeds from unprotected webcams. And the best part, all you need is your Android phone and a web browser. Google Chrome, which is probably already on your phone, is more than enough to get you started. But a word of caution. Google Dorking can be a powerful tool, but it's important to use it ethically. EXIF Viewer, turning photos into data-rich clues. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, but in the world of OSINT, a picture can be worth 1,000 data points, and that's where EXIF Viewers come in. EXIF stands for Exchangeable Image File Format, and it's basically metadata that's embedded in every image you take with your phone or camera. With the right EXIF Viewer app on your Android phone, you can extract a treasure trove of information from any image, including the exact GPS coordinates of where it was taken, the date and time it was captured, the model of the device that was used, and even the software that was used to edit the image. Think about it. Someone posts a picture of themselves at a secret location, but they forget to disable the geotagging on their phone. With an EXIF viewer, you can pinpoint their exact location, or maybe you're trying to verify the authenticity of a photograph. EXIF data is like a silent witness always lurking beneath the surface of every image. URL unshorteners and link scanners, don't click that link until you do this. We've all been there. You get a text message or an email with a shortened link, and you're itching to click it, but something feels off. Maybe it's a too good to be true offer, or maybe it's just that nagging feeling that something's not right. That's your OSINT senses tingling, my friend. In the world of 2025, you can't be too careful when it comes to clicking links. With URL unshorteners and link scanners, you can preview the destination of any link before you actually click on it, helping you avoid phishing scams, malware-infected websites, and other online dangers. Tools like check-short-URL, unshorten.it, and even the mobile view of VirusTotal allow you to paste in any suspicious link and get a detailed report on where it leads, if it's been flagged as malicious, and even what kind of redirects are involved. So the next time you're about to click on a shortened link, remember these tools. Shodan Mobile, your pocket-sized search engine for the Internet of Things. Alright, time to step up our OSINT game. If you thought Google was powerful, wait till you get a load of Shodan. Shodan is like Google, but instead of indexing websites, it indexes devices, the Internet of Things. We're talking about everything from webcams and smart homes to exposed servers and industrial control systems. And the crazy part? You can access all of this from your Android phone with the Shodan app, or even just your mobile browser. Imagine being able to search for specific types of devices in your city or even around the world. Want to see if there are any open webcams in your neighborhood? Shodan can show you. Curious about how many smart refrigerators are connected to the internet in your state? Shodan has the answers. While Shodan is an incredibly powerful tool for security researchers and anyone interested in the Internet of Things, it's important to use it ethically and responsibly. Metadata 2. Go and online EXIF, the silent language of files. Did you know that documents, videos, even audio files can contain hidden metadata? It's like a secret language embedded in our files. Metadata 2. Go and online EXIF let you analyze PDFs, docx, MP4, and MP3 files. Extract hidden data like creator's name, creation date, and GPS coordinates. What CMS and built with unmasking the technology behind websites? Ever stumbled upon a website and wondered what technology it was built with? Whether it's curiosity or a need to know for security research, your Android phone can once again be your trusty sidekick. Tools like What CMS and Built With give you X-ray vision for the web, allowing you to see the underlying technology that powers any website. Just punch in the website address, and these tools will tell you everything from the content management system it uses, like WordPress, Shopify, or Drupal, to the frameworks, plugins, and even the web server and analytics tools it employs. This information can be incredibly valuable for a variety of reasons. Web developers can use it to get inspiration from other websites. Security researchers can identify potential vulnerabilities based on the technologies used, and marketers can gain insights into their competitors' digital strategies. What CMS and Built With can also satisfy your inner geek. The next time you're browsing the web, use these tools to peek behind the curtain and see how your favorite websites are put together. Email OSINT tools. The email trail never lies. An email address is a digital fingerprint, connecting us to a vast web of online activity. With the right OSINT tools, you can uncover surprising information from an email address. Tools like Have I Been P1'd reveal if an email is involved in data breaches. Hunter.io provides domain and company information, offering professional insights. OSINT tools can uncover linked social media accounts and online identities. Use this information ethically. Our digital footprints reveal more than we realize. Google Lens, reverse image search on steroids. Let's be real, you've probably used Google Lens to identify a product or get more information about a landmark. But did you know that Google Lens is also an OSINT powerhouse hiding in plain sight on your Android phone? Think of it as reverse image search on steroids. Snap a photo of anything, a person's face, a product, a screenshot, a meme, and Google Lens can analyze it and unleash a torrent of information. You can identify faces and find other photos of them online, detect reposted images and track down their original sources, find out where to buy a specific product, and even identify landmarks, buildings, and plants. Imagine you're trying to figure out if someone is using a fake profile picture. Just take a screenshot, run it through Google Lens, and see if it turns up on any other websites or social media profiles. It's like having a magic lens that can see through the digital noise and connect you with the information you're looking for. In the world of 2025, information is power. And with the right tools, even something as ordinary as your Android phone becomes a weapon of awareness, investigation, and digital defense. We've only scratched the surface of what's possible with OSINT, but I hope this video has inspired you to explore this fascinating world and see how these tools can empower you. Remember, these tools are just that, tools. It's up to you to use them wisely, ethically, and responsibly. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll catch you in the next one.